Hello, adventurers! As you know, sometimes you have to be flexible in life, and that is true with being YouTube content creators as well. We had some winter weather last weekend, which prevented us from going and filming what we wanted to film. So, take it away, Sawyer.
Well, basically everything was shut down because of the snow and ice, so we had to get creative, and this is what we came up with. Adventurers, let's play a game!
The game is called What's the Adventure?, where we guess the zoomed-in picture. Tulsa Landmarks Edition.
I'm Sawyer.
And I'm Danny. And guess what? We're going to be your hosts.
The premise of the game is simple. You will be shown a zoomed-in photo. Make a guess at what you're looking at, and you've got 10 seconds to decide. The slide says, "Are you ready to play?" But let's go adventuring!
Here's your hint. This is Tulsa's most famous dome.
If you guessed the Blue Dome, you are correct. This landmark built in 1924 is so popular they named the surrounding area after it.
Fun fact, this building has no straight sides. Everything curves.
If you guessed the BOK Center, you are correct. This building opened in 2008 and is Tulsa's largest arena.
Here's your hint. You might call this an acoustic anomaly.
If you guessed the center of the universe, you are correct. This is one of Tulsa's most popular unique attractions.
Hint. This free outdoor experience was built for kids and adults to enjoy.
If you guessed the Gathering Place, you are correct. It has been named the #1 city park in the nation by USA Today readers multiple times.
Your hint is, this icon was built to celebrate Tulsa's oil history.
If you guessed the Golden Driller statue, you are correct. This iconic statue was built in 1953 and is 76 feet tall.
Hint, this area is also known as the Greenwood District.
If you guessed Black Wall Street, you are correct. This is one of the most important historic districts in Tulsa.
This is a tough one, but here's your hint. Animals from around the world live here.
If you guessed the Tulsa Zoo, you are correct. The zoo covers more than 80 acres and is constantly adding more animals for your viewing pleasure.
Hint, this statue weighs 30 tons.
If you guessed the Praying Hands, you are correct. These hands cast in bronze are 60 feet tall and are located at Oral Roberts University.
Your hint is, this building is part of Tulsa's Art Deco skyline.
If you guessed the BOK Tower, you are correct. This 52-story building held the record for Oklahoma's tallest building for 35 years.
Hint, this place is known for its original spring-loaded dance floor.
If you guessed Kane's Ballroom, you are correct. This iconic venue is one of the top music venues in the entire country. Adventurers, we hope you had a great time playing along with us. Let us know how you did in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you will see a new video every single week, and head over to Facebook and Instagram and follow us there as well.
We'll see you on our next adventure!